How can I make time for self-care when I'm too busy caring for others? I have a family, children, grandchildren, parents, grandparents. I'm caring for someone with an illness. I get this question a lot, and this is a valid reason. And I get it, I understand personally, and I saw it firsthand in my family when my sister had cancer. It's natural to want to put a loved one's well-being before yours and prioritize them over yourself. But your self-care and well-being is a #1 priority. Put it this way, if you've ever been on an airplane and you know at the beginning when the flight attendant tells you to buckle up, the exits are this way and that way, your life jacket is under your seat, and in the rare case if the cabin pressure changes, your oxygen mask will drop down. And what's the one thing that they always tell you? Make sure to secure your personal oxygen mask first and foremost before attempting to help anybody else. There's a reason why they want you to prioritize yourself before helping your child, your spouse, your grandparents. If you don't attend to yourself first and secure that mask, you might lose oxygen and you become no help to anybody else. As you're helping someone else without that mask, you might pass out, being helped to no one in the end. And that's the same for life. It is noble of you and it is our responsibility to help others, but is a #1 priority to help yourself first and foremost so that you can continue to give the care to those loved ones in need. A strong, healthy, and happy you is not just beneficial for yourself, but for everyone that you are caring for. So finding time, but most importantly, making the time for you, even if it's just a little bit every day, is important. It's crucial. Now, I'm not in your shoes, I'm not living the life that you are, but it's something to think about. I've been there too, and I can say that when you take the time for yourself, everyone wins. I hope this helps.